Welcome to the combing training video for Plant 01. Number 1. Check job. Make sure that everything is running to get everything in production. The red light means that the frame needs your attention. Remember to fix any breaks if needed. Number 2. Laps. Make sure laps are even and set into the right position. This is so that during doffing, laps fall into place. Number 3. Doffing. Get the rack to unload lap pins. Clean off any unused material to have clean pins to send back to lap winders. Push the black button to roll on a new lap. Make sure the lap is in the correct spot and evened out. This is to achieve an even thickness throughout the sliver. Check to make sure that the sliver is even and correctly lined up. Tuck the sliver into place to be able to feed it through the machine. Then, press the green button to start the comber. Remember to watch the sliver for a minute to check if it feeds through the machine correctly and fix any breaks as necessary. Put waste in the color-coded bins to separate the different kinds of thread. CS is yellow, CP is green, and 1517 is blue. Number 4. Cycle. Check for lights to see if any machines or tables need fixing. Check to make sure you have enough laps to continue efficient production. Check draw frames for breaks and sliver needed to keep everything running. Splice where needed to keep the frame running. Check combers and breakers for empty cans to keep cans ready for the machine. Move sliver to the staging area so it can be picked up for the next process. Number 5. Cleaning. Wipe down the head, back, foot, and glass of the frame with the brush during every shift. Roller picked the assigned combers during each shift. All shifts must do their part to clean each frame. Sweep the floor as needed to keep the area neat and organized. Remove and clean all roller brushes from each of the combers during each shift. This is to keep all the rollers clean. Blow off all draw frames during the middle of your shift. This is to keep the frames clean and running. Remember that eye shields and masks must be worn during blow-off. This is to protect your eyes and lungs. Number 6. Brakes. Check the monitor and the lights which indicates brakes. This is so you know which ends need to be fixed. A knife and safety gloves are used to cut laps. For your safety, remember to wear your gloves and cut away from your body. Lint can cause the comber to stop. This is the back of the comber frame, where lint has caused the frame to stop. Roller pick the assigned frames daily to keep the comber clean and running. Number 7. Reworkable stock. Reworkable stock is any waste you have from the combers and draw frames that you have separated and put into the correct can. By putting it in the hoppers, you are putting waste back into production. Take lap and drawing waste to waste hoppers each shift and put it in the correct hopper, CS, CP, or 1517, and remember to never mix stock. We have 2 hoppers, usually CS and 1517. When we change stock to CP, one of the hoppers is cleaned out and changed to CP. Always check the ID on the hopper before adding workable stock. Each can is identified by the bands around them. CS is yellow, CP is green, and 1517 is blue.